Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to talk about bash scripting for developers. How you can create file folders and set up your project structure within a second. It is going to be the very helpful video if you are a developer and you often need to create a lot of files in your backend and front end. In this video, I will show you how you can automate this using bash script. So let me first show you. This is the structure, this is the project which we are going to work on. I want to give you the brief idea about what I'm trying to achieve in this. This is a awesome nodejs backend, and I want to create a github repo which will have the complete and comprehensive nodes from scratch to production ready, and it is focusing on nodejs backend with javascript. We will cover everything a developer need to know from scratch to be the production ready developer, and you can ship the things properly. And if you want to contribute in this, we are going to post this code very soon, and then you can contribute your content and notes in this repo. That was for the project, and let's see how we are going to create those structure. So so to run the bash script, first I need to change it to the bash git bash, and here is the script I have created using the cloud, and it will going to create 197 files. So I'm just going to copy it and just paste it. You can also save this script in a file, and then you can ch mode to give it the execution access, and then whenever you run this command it will get executed. But right now we are not going to save it in the file. Instead, we are directly going to run it here. Just press enter and you will see the magic. You can see these files are being created automatically. I am doing nothing, and whatever the files are created will be appeared here. So this is the power of automation, where you do not need to do the things manually and get the proper structure with a clear mental model. If you expand any folder, you can see there is a lot of file inside a single folder. So this is probably a big script, and now the script is completed. You can see the root directory is this, and the total files that being created is 197. So the magic that you can use as a developer for creating and setting up your project structure, whether you are working on your back end or the front end. This is going to help you a lot. So now you can clearly see what we have got through by running the bash script. So there is a lot of files. Now let's understand how you can do this. So the step one to achieve this is you have to have a bash script. How will you get it? In the era of AI, you do not need to write it manually. If you are able to, you can do so. But in the era of AI, you can ask the AI to mark the bash script for you. So bash script, you just have to brainstorm and the plan out structure of the project you want. Come up with the. Let me show you with the chat GPT. Now I want to set up project structure with Node.js backend. Give me production, grade, and industry standard industry standard structure. First, show me in tree view, and then give me its bash script to automate the structure creation. And I'm also going to provide the context like we will set up things from scratch, from zero, no files and folders yet. Let's see. You can see I have just described my idea like what I want to have. Then the ChatGPT is going to give me the project structure in the tree format so you can easily visualize that what you are going to get by running this script. We have the backend, then src folder as we usually have in the backend, then config, controller, services, repositories, models, routes, middleware, validators, utils, constant, jobs, and this is how we structure our project for the backend, especially for the Node.js. So you can see we now have the project structure in the tree view to clearly see the structure what you are going to achieve by running the script. Now this is the bash script which we can run to get data structure. So I'm just going to copy this and then I will create a new folder here. Let's create a new folder like demo automation, and then I'm going to open this one inside the Visual Studio. Sorry, the VS Code, not the Visual Studio. This is the code. So let's now you have to open your terminal, and I already told you that there is a two way of running this script. One is to save that in a file, and second one is to directly paste it on the git bash. So change this terminal from the default, which is the PowerShell, to the git bash so you can directly run the bash script. So now we are ready. Just control V. It will paste the script and press enter. All done. You can see we have set up the complete structure through the script and no manual. All files and folder is created properly. You can see. So this is what I trying to explain in this video. If you have any problem or any doubt, you can comment down below and I will answer them. That's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.